Want faster payments? A Venmo QR code makes checkout simple. Customers scan, tap, and pay instantly. No card readers, cash, or waiting. It speeds checkout, reduces errors, and simplifies accounting for small businesses. Use it in person at counters, on printed receipts, or on tableside signs. You can also share the QR code online, in emails, or on websites. Bottom line, faster payments, fewer headaches, better tips, and a modern customer experience. Now let's make one together. Quick steps to create your Venmo QR code. Open the Venmo app and tap the QR icon at the top. Choose My Code to display your unique business QR image. Tap Share to save the image or copy a payment link for online orders. Place the code on receipts, countertop displays, invoices, or your website checkout. Set up Venmo payments now. Enable a business profile and start accepting payments.